How to install and set up Contact Form 7 in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with Admin User. Now let's learn how to install and set up Contact Form 7 plugin in WordPress. Contact Form 7 helps you to create, manage, and customize multiple contact forms for your website. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click Add New. In the Search Plugins window, search for Contact Form 7. Here it is. Now, click the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Contact Form 7 plugin. Click the Activate button to activate the plugin. The Contact Form 7 plugin is activated now. Click the Settings option. Let's set up the Contact Form 7 plugin. You can edit or duplicate the existing contact form. Point the mouse on Contact Form 1 and select the option as per your requirements. Let's add a new contact form and configure it. Click Add New under Contact option. Type in the title for the contact form. Select the additional fields that you want to add to contact form and click on it. Edit the default form fields as per your requirements. Click on the Save button. Now click the Mail tab. Update the To field to the email address where you want the form to send. Update the From address to an email address with the same domain name as the hosting. Update the subject as per your requirements. Add additional headers like CC, BCC, email addresses. Update the contents of the message body field as per your requirement. Configure the message body behavior accordingly. When finished, click Save. Click the Messages tab. Here you can configure the messages that are to be shown while filling the form and the submission of the form. Update the messages accordingly or keep the defaults. Click the Save button. Now click the Additional Settings tab. Include additional settings to each contact form by adding code snippets in the specific format into the Additional Settings field. Click the Save button. Next, click the Integration menu item. Secure your website form from spam and abuse by adding reCAPTCHA service. Click the Configure Keys button. Configure the site key and secret key in respected fields that you have received from Google. Click the Save button. That's it! You have successfully configured the Contact Form 7 plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up Contact Form 7 plugin in WordPress.